afternoon, everyone. So, what is going on that side? Who's that last bench? This one. Three chapters are left. Chapter 17, chapter 18, chapter 19. So, today we'll begin the presentation of chapter 17. What is that? Metals. Today's presenter is Pujana Shrestha. So, in class 9 also we have discussed the chapter metals and non-metals, and we discuss about metalloids, alloys also, right? As the level increases, content also increases, it becomes a bit wider one. I don't say you not to use use AI, but what is mentioned there, set in mind also. Understood or not? AI helps a lot. We just get the solution very quickly. If you talk about me, I had to write thesis in my MPhil. I wrote thesis, but our writing is not so much standard one. Yes or no? So I just typed there, improve my writing, and I posted my document, and later on it improved a lot, and then gave me. It became standard one. So in that way also we can learn. Understood or not? So there is one saying, educated persons are more loyal in comparison to non-educated. Because educated person, they can handle the things tactfully. If you are able to handle, then you are educated. If you just fight, or if you become arrogant or that stubborn, then how can you say that educated one? Isn't it? So education means it makes us very simple. Simple living, high thinking. So metals, this pen is also made of metal. Yes or no? And this pen is also made of metal. Especially they use iron, right? But this is not made of metal, maybe made up of aluminium or copper, because these are expensive pens, not cheaper ones. Cheaper pens are also there, plastic pens, right? Ball pens are also there. What is he going to present? I don't know. Let's welcome on the stage the presenter. From both sides, more clapping, girl side, no clapping. What is it?
As you all know, it's me, Pujana. So today I'm here to discuss about metals.
Yeah, madam. I will slowly bring it here. I've done a background and beginning. If you download and here also, this side also, yes. Oh, sir.
So our first topic is minerals. Using metals and they operate with the assistance of minerals.
What you are reading? You underline that?
Using metals and they operate with the assistance of minerals was derived from the earth. Minerals are present in the various forms in the earth crust, some embedded in rocks. Even the food we eat we eat contains minerals. Throughout our development, we have utilized minerals, the livelihood, decorations, and festives. Minerals are crucial for all forms of life, as life process cannot exist without minerals. Is defined as naturally occurring materials in which a metals or its compound occurs. In other words, they are naturally occurring in organic materials. Uh, Minerals have their own molecular compositions and its physical properties. So you can see this figure. Here are rocking forming minerals, most common minerals on earth.
Why does it from there also you can run it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So our next topic is ores. Ores are special types of metallic minerals found in the earth crust, and they contain certain metals. And if a minerals can release metal easily, making it profitable, we call it an ore. Ores are minerals that have high concentrations of a specific metals mixed with other materials, and we can make a profit by extracting the metals. Ores are always found with rocks or earthy materials called gangue or matrix. The key factor is that the ore must have enough metal to make its extractions commercially viable. So here are types of ores. First type is oxide ores and second is sulfide ores. Metals are present in the oxides form. For example, hematite ore, um, bauxite ore. The extractions of respective metals from their ore is much easier. Sulfide ore, some metals are present in the sulfide form. For example, blend lead. To extract these metals from their sulfide ores is difficult, so they are generally converted into oxide with the process of metallurgy. Metallurgy. So last types of ores are carbonate ores. In these ores, carbonate ions are present. Since it is difficult to extract the metals from these ores, they are also converted to oxide ore, first like sulfide ore, for example, calamine zinc. Next is sulfate ores. They are generally found underground and sulfur ions are present in them, for example, angleside lead. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Like also going in different way. What is the reason? Okay. How do you define metals? Yeah, the elements which lose electrons during chemical reaction or during chemical bonding. The elements which are good conductor of heat and electricity, which are malleable and ductile, right? And which have high melting point and boiling point. That's properties of metals, non-metals also were discussed, right? Okay. So in this chapter, at first we have to discuss about minerals. What to learn? Minerals. What are minerals? Earth crust contains some substances, or from earth crust we can get substances. Those substances are called minerals. Whatever compound we obtain from earth crust, they are minerals. Or those substances which are obtained from mine, mine, they are called minerals. For example, petroleum is also mineral. This is obtained from earth crust, right? But water is not mineral, remember. Okay, it is found on earth's surface also, not inside ground. And these minerals are of mainly two types. One is organic mineral, inorganic mineral, or it may be metallic mineral or non-metallic mineral. Metallic mineral means that substance from which metal can be extracted.
Yes.
A non-metallic mineral means the substance from which metal cannot be extracted. See, the world is so much developed because of discovery of iron. Almost all the goods are made up of iron. Just you think, if no iron, then would there be invention of such great things? No. Yes or no? So iron can be changed into stainless steel. Actually, we have seen iron in rusted form. Yes or no? But iron can be made stainless steel which never gets rusted. Those plates where we eat food, that is made up of stainless steel. Those glass tumblers are also stainless steel. Last time I broke my beauty bone. Yeah, the beauty bone is connected with the help of stainless steel. There is steel kept, right? It does not get rusted. That is not 100% iron. Some sort of other chemicals or metals are added there. Stainless steel, it is. So, our this chapter is mainly focused on metallic minerals. Metallic minerals means from those substances, compounds, we can obtain metal easily. That process is called metallurgy. What do you call it? One thing remember, in the earth crust, we don't get iron in free state, silver in free state. Mainly one element is found in free state, that is gold. Gold may be found in free state. It does not react with other elements easily. One river is there in Nepal, Sunkosi. Yes or no? So previously, people they used to get lots of gold in the bank of Sunkosi river. Nowadays also we can see the color, yellow color. Have you seen Sunkosi river, miss? Or have you gone towards this Dolal Ghat side or not? In Dolal Ghat side or in Khurkut side. So the water, Khurkut side, right? In Mulkot also there is Sunkosi. Our house is in Mulkot. From Mulkot that Jhanga Jungi, Kanga Kongi, that's how the road comes. And if you observe that water from far away, it looks yellow in color, right? Sunkosi. So gold is mainly found in free state, but not in big lump. Oh, 1 kg gold, half kg gold, not like that. It is found mixed with rocks. Those rocks which contain metallic compounds, they are called ores. What do you call them? Ores. Here are some ores. These are the rocks which are made up of compounds of metals. What are they called? Ores. Like feldspar, plagioclase feldspar, K feldspar means K means potassium, quartz, pyroxene, amphibole, mica, kaolinite, see kaolinite, name inorganic, pyrite, olivine, talc, calcite. These contain metals. And when we apply some techniques, those metals can be extracted. That method is called metallurgy. Metallurgy, that is the process by which metals are obtained from ores. Ores are minerals which contain metals, or minerals from which metals can be extracted are called ores. O-R-E-S, right? Ores. So here, metallic minerals, it's already said. Rocks are there. Those rocks are called ores from which we can get metals. Some techniques we have to apply like pulverization, concentration, roasting, electrolytic refining. Our next presentators, they will tell later on, because this is the beginning of the chapter. So Pujana has brought the slides. And my suggestion is, before presenting new slide, please observe your own old slide how you have presented and modify yourself. Now everything is transparent, yes or no? If you want to check your video, then you can go in my old videos and see the, like Sony's presentation has already gone. You can check. Yesterday, also he presented. No, he didn't present yesterday. The day before yesterday, who has presented? Bian Balami has presented. Did you check yourself or not? Next, Simre's presentation was there. Did you check? You check yourself. And what we're lacking, you could find out. And next time you can modify. Others also, please observe it. Such type of facility you don't get in college also. Remember. If you get you to call and come and tell me, sir, we got there. But 0.0001% also they may not do. And she said the types of ores. How many types of ores are there? Oxide ore. Oxide ore means there is oxygen present along with metal. Sulfide ore. What is there? Sulfide. And next one, carbonate ore and sulfate ore. It means, now I will tell you. Okay, I have written here 4 compounds. Sodium, 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 sodium. Sodium is metal, right? This is metal sulfide, metal oxide, metal sulfate, metal carbonate. Suppose these are ores. What are they? So what type of ore is this? Here is present sulfur. Means no, sodium is metal. Sulfide ore. What is this? Sulfide ore. This is oxide ore. This is sulfate ore. This is carbonate ore. Did you make a concept clear or not? In sulfide ore there is presence of sulfur. Oxide ore there is oxygen. Sulfate ore SO4 and carbonate ore CO2. Right? If I write here Al2O3, what type of ore is this? This is oxide ore. Here is oxygen. Here is oxygen. Aluminum is metal, so oxygen is mixed together with it, right? But if I write here AlCl3, what type of ore is this? We have discussed 4 type of ore: sulfide ore, oxide ore, sulfate ore, carbonate ore. So is here sulfate, sulfide, oxygen? Means this is not the ore. This is not the ore. You pay attention here. If I write here Ag2S, what type of ore is this? Sulfide, sulfate, SO4, sulfide S, sulfide ore, right? Next one, AuCO3. What type of ore is this? Carbonate ore. These are the 4 types of ore. So what are they? Oxide ore, sulfide ore, carbonate ore, sulfate ore. Right? Ore is a mineral from which we can extract metals. If there are sufficient ores, country can be rich very soon. But methods should be applied. See, Nepal is rich in herbal products, but we have to import medicines from India because there is no facility of making such type of fine medicines. Right? Okay, that is the beginning one. So please read once again these are things and start making the note, and your previous lessons question answers must be completed. Ready? Come on.